Aha! You have come back for more. So, we are going to talk about solving linear systems using elimination. Again, but this time, this is what I'm going to call example B, the moderate example. Not quite so easy, but still doable. And we're going to start again using the same idea. We're going to look for additive inverses, which is another fancy way to say what? You are so smart. That's right. Two terms that add together and equal 0. For example, let's see, negative 10x and, yeah, 10x. Good job. Let's go with positive, ooh, fancy. Positive 13y would add to 0 with what? Negative 13y. All right, we get the idea. So we're going to go over here, we're going to look at this example, and on this example B, you get to pick which equation or which variable you want to get rid of, which one you want to eliminate. So in this case, x or y look pretty easy to me to eliminate. So let's just go with y because the y has a smaller number on it. And what we're going to do is, can we multiply that top y by something so that it equals the bottom y term? Or I should say, so it equals the additive inverse. Heck yes, you can. We can multiply this whole top equation by negative 3. Okay? Okay, because then when you multiply everything by negative 3, and I mean every single term, not just the first one, not just the second one, all three. When you multiply all that by negative 3, we'll get a new version of equation 1. And the new version of equation 1 will say, let's see, negative 3 times 4x, negative 12x. Negative 3 times y is negative 3y. Negative 3 times 11 is negative 33. All right, and now we're going to do a similar idea for the bottom equation. Oh, no, wait, do we even need to? What will happen if we just write down that other equation underneath here? Let's see what happens. If I just write x plus 3y equals negative 22. Do we have additive inverses now? Yes. So we are just going to add the like terms vertically. So negative 12x plus x, negative 11x, negative 3y plus 3y, 0y, so it's gone. We eliminated it. Negative 33 plus negative 22. Be very, very careful, people. I see all sorts of crazy mistakes with these. If I borrowed $33, I borrowed another 22. I have now borrowed 55. 55. So now we've got a negative 11x equals negative 55. And we are just going to get x by itself. Solve that real quick. Right now it's being multiplied by negative 11. So to get rid of it, we will divide by negative 11. So x is 5. Careful with that. Negative 55 divided by negative 11 is positive 5. Haha! I got 5. I got x. It's 5. But now I need y. So you're going to pick which one of the original two equations you like better. Really, it does not matter to me. Just for fun, I'll pick equation 1 again. So equation 1 again. I got 4x. Actually, let me change the color of that real quick. My bad. I'm going to go back to that pinky color. 4x plus y equals 11. But we just said that x has to be 5. So I'm going to take out that x and put in that 5. Go away, x. Oh, let me fix that little 4 real quick. 4. And I'm going to put in there that 5. So 4 times 5. And then I'm going to go ahead and solve for y. All right, so 4 times 5 is 20. Plus y equals 11. Oh, right now that 20 is being added to y. So I will subtract it, because that is the inverse operation to adding 20. Let's see, 11 minus 20 is negative 9, maybe? I hope so. Hope I did it right. So my final answer is 5, -9. X always goes first. Ka-chow.